Like hippos and rhinos, elephants are pachyderms. These imposing animals have thick skin and heavy gait. Elephants are the largest land animals on the planet. Here are 10 fascinating facts about them. If you like this informative video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Knowledge Discovery TV. Let's start the video. 1. Elephants can't jump because they're too heavy. Their bones would break on landing. 2. Elephant trunks are very flexible and contain up to 150,000 muscles. This essential appendage functions as a nose and arm. Elephants use their trunks to communicate, clean themselves, and gather food. However, elephants don't eat through their trunks. 3. Elephants spend around 16 hours a day eating. They can eat more than 440 pounds of plants and drink over 26 gallons of water a day. 4. Although elephant skin is thick, it's also very sensitive. An elephant can feel a small insect land on its back. Additionally, elephants cover their skin with mud to stay cool in the hot sun. 5. An elephant's powerful trumpet-like call can be heard up to 5 miles away. 6. Contrary to popular belief, elephants aren't afraid of mice. However, they fear ants and bees that can crawl into their trunks. 7. Elephants can swim several miles at a time. Additionally, they use their trunks as snorkels to breathe underwater. 8. Elephant feet are very sensitive and can feel ground vibrations more than 6 miles away. 9. Female elephants carry their young for 20 to 22 months before giving birth. That's almost 2 years. 10. Like humans, elephants lose their teeth. However, elephant teeth can fall out and grow back several times. Hope you enjoy the video. I will meet you in the next informative and amazing video.